Guys, welcome back, and today I am going to show you how to make my Plotagon character. So, what do? The first step is to go to the character creator, but my thing is glitching. Okay, better. Now just go down here. So, go to character creator. I literally have it unnamed. Anyway. Also, this is for Christmas. So guys, so here's a non-Christmas version. Also, when I don't name my characters, so for example, Caillou is named, yeah. Okay. So I've also, you can use that, then don't change any words. That's alright. But the glasses you don't have to use them headphones. Use these ones. Then change them to red. And then get this one. So this is my Christmas look. Here's my non-Christmas look. So you can do whichever one you want, guys. Can I just find it though? It's so annoying to scroll through this because it's only useful for you. Somewhere down here, I believe. I remember it somewhere down here. Do not use the elf shirt. That's not the correct one. It's meant to be this one. Now for my non-Christmas look. No, not that one. It's this. This is my non-Christmas look, so yeah. Anyway, that's how to make me in Plotagon. So it's just, I'm bye.